Ready to unleash your inner artist, but your wallet's whispering budget? Let's explore how to get Adobe's Creative Suite without breaking the bank legally, of course. The most direct path to free trial. Adobe frequently offers trials, sometimes lasting a week or more, for individual apps or the whole Creative Cloud. Simply visit Adobe's website, locate your desired software, and click that tantalizing free trial button. You'll need an Adobe account to get started. What's the fine print? Trials give you full access, but only temporarily. Once the trial expires, the software locks down. Until you subscribe, maximize your trial period by learning the ropes, experimenting with new techniques, or even finishing a project within the allotted time to dodge those subscription fees. Second, keep an eye out for special offers and promotions. Adobe often releases bundles or savings, especially during holidays or special sales events. Check the Adobe website, follow their social media, or utilize browser extensions for coupon codes. Pay close attention to any conditions, such as specific product lineups or time restrictions. If you're a student or educator, the education discounts are a game-changer. Head to the Adobe website's education section and verify your eligibility by logging in with your school credentials. These subscriptions are often heavily discounted, offering fantastic value for almost all the product functionality, but at a considerable cost reduction. There you have it. By using free trials, taking advantage of deals, and utilizing education discounts, you can harness the power of Adobe absolutely free. Remember to always explore and enjoy Adobe's software through legitimate means, and don't forget to enjoy creating.